Hey guys, Tech Flash here. Now, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new iPhone which was recently introduced at the 2021 Apple Spring event. Now, this is the exact same iPhone. There's nothing different. This is the iPhone 12. The only difference is that this was introduced in a new purple color as a mid-cycle refresh. Now, we're usually accustomed to seeing something from Product Red at this time, but this year the Product Red iPhone 12 and the 12 mini were introduced alongside the launch of the iPhone 12, so we couldn't really expect to see something from Product Red, and purple seemed to be the choice of color. Now, why was purple the choice of color? We'll get into that in a little bit. First of all, let's unbox this and see what it looks like. It's a really unique color, honestly speaking. I really like it. Like right off the bat, looking at it, it's really pretty. I like that the color is a little bit more saturated. It's a little bit darker than last year's iPhone purple, which kind of was that was a little bit on the lighter side. This actually is not true purple, but it really gives a hint of purple. And I like that the rails are also a little bit more saturated, so you know you're able to see more of the color as well here. In the box, we get the same things, or the lack of things. It's still the same thin profile box without the charger. We have the cable, we have the usual paperwork, the sticker, the pin, and that's about it. I should also mention that the purple iPhone was only announced on the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. The Pro models still have the same three colors, which is the silver, the space gray, and the gold color. Functionally, there's nothing different about this phone. It's exactly the same thing. The cameras are same, the chip is the same, the performance is the same, the display is the same, the battery is the same. It's just purple. Now, let's get into the theory of why purple was the choice of color for this year. First of all, the iPhone purple was not announced with this year's iPhone launch. Last year with the launch of the iPhone 11, purple was a choice of color. This year, purple was left out. Now, maybe Apple felt the need to reintroduce the purple color to fix their OCD, or the second, more credible theory may be that 2021 marks 10 years since Apple's founder Steve Jobs passed away, and it is theorized that purple was actually his favorite color. And I actually googled this, and you can do it for yourselves. If you Google Steve Jobs' favorite color, Google will tell you that it was in fact purple. Only Apple truly knows if this theory is actually true, but it makes sense now that the purple color was delayed on purpose in order to pay a tribute and commemorate the Apple founder's 10-year anniversary. A lot of companies are known to introduce limited or unique colors, and it's mostly common amongst phone manufacturers to do this sort of thing during their mid-cycle refresh. I personally think it's a very interesting thing to do because people do seem to care a lot about colors, and it does make consumers want to maybe buy a device just because of the new color. So that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and a quick review of the purple color. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. If you like the video, please drop a like and let me know what you think about this new color. I personally really like it, although I do wish that it was a little bit darker because it's kind of more of a lilac or a lavender color. It's not a true purple color. I think a purple color would be more kind of like a darker one, like sort of like this, but it's still a really good color overall, and I definitely would actually buy this. So let me know what you guys think of this color, if you would buy it, or just let me know in the comments what's your favorite color amongst the iPhone 12 lineup. And that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop a like if you enjoyed, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys to the next one. Peace out.